If you love KATSEYE or love Danielle and her makeup, this video is for you. Today we are recreating her easy, affordable, glowy fox eye look. Hi everyone, I'm Anzeei and welcome back to my channel. I do makeup, skincare and all things pretty, so if that's your vibe, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Skin prep is always a step one. I've done my skincare already, so now I'm going in with e.l.f. Hello Glow liquid filter for that within glow, light layer because we do not want that heavy base. Next up is concealer. I'm covering a few acne spots and with whatever's left, I tap it under my eyes. This trick keeps the under eye area light, natural, but still fresh. She doesn't really look like she's wearing blush, so I'm going in with really muted blush, nothing too bright. I'm placing it on the high points of my cheeks so it gives that lifted snatched vibe. Now I'm locking everything in so this face stays flawless all day long. Once everything is set, I'm gonna place the bronzer right on the top of the blush to define the cheekbones. Then with the same bronzer, I softly contour my nose. No harsh line here, just a subtle shadowing. I know I said no blush, but I do want to go back in with this peachy shade of blush. Just soft dusting, then freckles. Bake a few freckles across the nose and cheeks, then press them with a puff so they look super natural. So her brows is fluffy and straight. I focus on keeping the brow tail straight rather than arched. Then I add a light hair stroke where it looks like needed. It's simple but makes a huge difference. She doesn't do heavy highlight, just a little on the nose tip and the bridge. That's it. No cheek highlight. Her look is simple, clean and minimal. Her eyeshadow look is beginners friendly. A soft brown shade winged out on the outer corner, then slightly blended inward. Nothing too heavy, just that lifted subtle definition. So this step is really important. Highline on the both top and bottom waterline. It makes the lashes look fuller and the eyes more defined. Not gonna lie, my eyes were watering every time. Trust me, it's worth it though. Here's where the magic happens. Draw a sharp wing that goes straight out, not down, not too curvy. Connect it to the middle of your lash line, not the inner corner. Then add a tiny inner corner flick. It elongates and lifts the eyes. Lashes really change everything. I'm using the lashes that are longer on the ends for that lifted effect. Then mascara on the bottom lashes to open up the eyes even more. For lips, I'm overlining Cupid's bow just a little, but keeping the side natural. Then I'm filling in with a Peri Peri ink velvet in the nude lip shade. Soft, flattering, and goes perfectly with the eye look. That's it. Clean, snatched, glowing. This is Daniela's signature fox eye glam. If you love this look, give this video a like, drop a comment and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.